have the privilege of inviting Rishita Didi, an alumna of our institution, who recently returned as an intern to closely observe and engage with the workings of our various clubs to kindly grace the stage. We are glad to share that Rishita Didi is our respected Lisa ma'am's niece.
Good morning, everyone. Over the past 1 month, as I got the opportunity to experience the Carnival of Learning, the Edu Carnival, I've seen students pour their hearts into their chosen clubs. Whether it was the theatre group passionately rehearsing their lines again and again, or the science, math, and astronomy clubs engaged in brainstorming ideas and solving problems. The music and dance clubs were full of rhythm and life, practicing tirelessly to perfect their performances. The art and culinary clubs showcased creativity in such unique ways, turning simple ideas into beautiful creations. The Rubik's Cube Club demonstrated focus and patience. Even the Hindi Nukkad Natak Sangathan brought stories to life with such emotion and expression, teaching values for life. And the Mass Communications Club stood out by creating an entire newspaper, taking interviews, exploring different clubs, and beautifully capturing the spirit of the carnival. What stood out most was not just the activities, but the enthusiasm as well. Every student was involved, learning, collaborating, and enjoying the process with students across different grades, working as a team, as leaders, group members, and so on. The Edu Carnival is not just an event, it's a celebration of talent, curiosity, and hard work. It reflects what students can achieve when they are given the freedom to choose what they love. The students were given the opportunity to select the clubs according to their interest and their aptitude. So I would like to truly appreciate the efforts of all the students and teachers who made this possible. It's wonderful to see such passion and creativity come together. I am sure that the confidence and skills gained through this experience will stay with these students for a long time. I look forward to seeing this enthusiasm grow more in the years to come. Thank you.